Okay guys, I have a little issue with the lady's car. When you turn the AC on, there's a growling noise, and that's only at idle, and then when I take off it's gone. But that's with only with the AC on. And I have the AC off, it don't come on. The growling noise don't come on. So I don't know if you guys could help me out. Comment below, shoot me some suggestions and let me know what I could look for. I was gonna tackle it and look for it quick, but I'd rather just do a video on it. Help me out, because I just recently replaced the AC compressor and it still comes on. So let me know what you think this sound could be. Coming from this area. Let me know what you guys think of that noise. Comment at the bottom. Let me know. Thanks for watching. And thanks for the love and support. Thanks. Bye.